Okay, this zipper right here is going to be just a hidden zipper, and I'm going to lay it on the bottom part of the fabric, and I'm going to stitch across the top with my right side of my zipper to the right side of the fabric. And then I'm going to put the top part on here, stitch this part, and this is going to be flat. We don't want to get the two. So stitch this on to the other part, and then when I bring this up right here like this, this is going to come down, and I'm going to press this down, okay? So you see how that works? Then when I come back in, I'm going to actually just stitch that down at the end, and I will have hidden that zipper. And then what I'm going to do after I get that all on, here's the top where the zipper is, and here's the bottom. I'm going to lay my my top of my pocket down on the top, and I'm going to put my bottom of my pocket on the bottom seam, and I'm only catching the seam here. And then you have actually inserted that pocket right inside there. Now on my purse, you need to leave this open, so do not stitch that up at the bottom, because you're going to turn the entire purse through the bottom, and you will have nothing that looks funny in that.